Alright, so I don't know if you can tell, that's a leaf blower. And this is my mom's car. So you can tell that's her car, but if you put your hand on the window, that's how deep it is. I don't know if you can see, but I just emptied off the snow. So that's my stepdad's car. I don't know if you can tell. I think my stepdad's out here, or someone must have blew snow off it already, but that was fast. Walking down my street, seeing how atrocious this is. I hope they cancel school tomorrow and for these kids, because you can't walk in this. And a funny fact about this is oh look, someone's house has a Christmas light. That's beautiful. Smart idea, because I took mine down. So just walking and all this, walking on snow, still Plumstead Avenue, still a little bit snowy out there. I hope the kids do have off tomorrow, because knowing Upper Darby, they are going to be crazy if they don't cancel school. I know a couple years ago, I think it was when I was graduating 5 years ago, we had a snowstorm and they didn't cancel school. They didn't give us a 2-hour delay to give anyone. Nobody was out. Actually, nobody didn't want to shovel, so I fell and I nearly busted my knee open. So you think it's a little better here. It's a little better. Let's see how Abby Terrence is. Smart. Now I'm not losing anything like that. Oh shit. Nearly slipped. Careful. You would have to see a fall. I don't think you guys would enjoy that, but alright, now I'm gonna stop right here. This is Abby Terrence. And right there my dog, all the way up, not even shoveled. You would think for the people out here, they would shovel. They don't care. They want someone to get hurt. And I just got hurt on this black ice. But like I said, this is a crazy scenario where everyone panics here in Drexel Hill or Delaware County, or I should say the Philadelphia area. You know why I'm a heel, because I don't trust people down here. They act on stupid stuff, and I hate when people act stupid, especially when it comes to a snowstorm. So, I hope everyone realizes that snowstorms like this, they can cause a lot of danger. And, just walking here, it's a pain in the ass. Just even getting back to my house. So, just walking. Again, my neighbor, doing snow blowing. So, other than that, cannot wait for summer to happen. It's crazy. Who's even walking in this? I wonder who's going to be the dummy and say, oh, hey guys, you have school tomorrow. Hopefully they cancel school for everyone. I know. It's going to be dangerous and people are going to panic, as always. So I hope no cars behind me. Good. No car behind me. No car in front. So making the return back to the house, I cannot even see, because you got some blackout conditions here, or whiteout conditions. I think my neighbor is actually snow blowing cars off. Blowing cars off, whatever the heck he's doing. But if my brother does not come home or start shoveling at some random days, dang, even right here, cannot even walk there. So call him back up. Oh my god. It's freezing. So let's go back to my driveway. Back to the driveway. Back to the hill I live on. Oh. Yeah, look how deep that is. I'm telling you right now, that snow is going to melt. Hey, look at all the icicles. Alright, so that's it for me. You know, you can follow me on Twitter at MeganG1990 for all the updates on my snow. And that's about it. This is Megan G. Heal grape. Be safe, everyone on the East Coast.